we're showing you a 1999 John Deere 5510 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. Has the 541 quick attach front loader to go with it. Tractor has just over 700 hours. We took this tractor in on trade. Traded this in from the original owner. Tractor has been used for brush hogging and to keep his farm clean, the previous owner's farm clean. Basically, this fellow rented his farm. He only used this tractor to brush hog and clean up his farm and so forth. So he basically was upgrading to a cab tractor. That's why the tractor is on the market. Tractor again is just over 700 hours, which obviously is exceptionally low hours for this vintage tractor, a 99 model. Paint's in excellent condition on it. The front bucket does have some paint out of it, which is just from normal use. It's got a heavy duty front bucket. It's got the John Deere pin style quick attach system. Got a little bit of paint deterioration around the front here. Pretty minor. We did touch up the front axle on the tractor. The sheet metal on the tractor is 100% original. The only places we touched up are the front axle and around the front here. And then also we had a little bit of paint coming off the loader mast here, which is pretty common on this style loader. So we touched that up. You have a little bit of deterioration on the inside here, and then here just a little bit as well. A little bit of damage here on the hood, but again, the hood, fenders, that's all original. Tires are original. They have good life in them yet. Back tires, you can still see the size imprint on the tread. Has one set of rear wheel weights. Has the foldable rollover bar and the canopy top. The canopy top does have the warning lights in it. It's got the rear work light. Dual rear hydraulics are currently being used for the loader. 540 PTO. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms. We also did touch up the back here, the arms and the back axle. We did touch that up. If you're looking for a clean 89 horsepower tractor, this is a very, very nice tractor, and again, exceptionally low hours. It does have the 540 and the 540 PTO. It's got the 9.3 sync shuttle transmission, tilt steering wheel, hand and foot throttle. Barely any paint off the floorboards here. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery, so you can buy with confidence. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.